Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this phone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime. If you're using any iPhone and you are having the issue that your phone number cannot be used by your iMessage or FaceTime, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings, and here you have to scroll down and look for the option of apps. Select that, and from here you just have to look for the option of message. So look for the messages or the iMessage in which you are having the issue. So in my case, I'm going to select the messages first, and here you just have to look for the iMessage and you have to disable the settings. Once you have disabled, you have to wait for almost 4 or 5 seconds, then you have to enable it again, and it will take some moments to refresh your system, and in this way your issue will be fixed, because sometimes it might be that your iMessage cannot recognize your phone number very well. So in this way it will refresh the system and your iMessage will be able to recognize your phone number, and then you have to look for the FaceTime, and here you just have to scroll down until you find FaceTime. You just have to disable that and then enable that again, and in this way there's the same process. It will fix the issue which is happening. Or if you're still having the same issue, you just have to go back, open general, go for software update, and from here you have to try to update your software. If you have any pending update here, so you must have to install the update on your phone, and then you just have to go back. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Or if it doesn't work for you, just have to open your app store, and here you have to simply search for messages or FaceTime, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update available for your messages or FaceTime app. Or if you have any pending update, try to update your app. So in this way your issue will be fixed if you're having the issue that is phone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.